Hey guys, sorry about the lighting, but kids are out of school. I'm trying to get this on quiet place in the house is my bedroom, and I got my Birchbox, so let's see what she holds. Regular print brown box. Obsessed, addicted, can't get enough, hold my calls. Another little card. And okay, first of all, we have a Mally High Shine lipstick. And I actually got to choose this. Look at how pretty that is. It's in the color Pedal to the Metal. It's one of those clickery ones. That's a lot of product. Excited! Also, I got a Shiseido Power Infusing Concentrate. I know that's fancy. And I got a Toka Florence Eau de Parfum. That's a pretty good size sample. Smell it. It smells really kind of citrusy, but I don't know, it smells pretty good. I'll use it. And then in the pillow pack, looks like there's two things. I got a Lord & Berry eyeliner, the Sparkle Black Mini Eyeliner, which I could have chose this, but I didn't, but oh well, I'll take it. And an Elove Butter Vanilla. Of course, I can't smell it because I can just smell that perfume. Anyway, the Vanilla Butter full size is $26. The eyeliner is $18. The Mally Shine lipstick is $20. The Shiseido is $65 to $95. The perfume full size is $68. So I'd say that's a pretty good one, Birchbox. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.